Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Dennis Ramsey coming at ya. I need your donations, please. I've got rats in the apartment, gray squirrels, and birds. I've been killing them over the last 2 or 3 years. I need a clean house or apartment. Can anybody donate me $1 or $2 million, please, to buy a house or an apartment? Call me 902-365-5044, no jive. Send donations to Dennis Ramsey, DENNISRAMSEY, 27 Canaan, CANAAN Avenue, Apartment B, Kempville, KENTVILLE, Nova Scotia, Canada. Postcode B4N2A7. Send me $5, $10, $100, $1,000, $1,000,000, $2,000,000. Any amount of money will help. Call me if you can help me, 902-365-5044, no jive. Sub up the Dennis Ramsey YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up on my videos. I need your donations to buy a house or get a clean apartment. Please give all you can. Give until it hurts. You can call me if you can help me, 902-365-5044, no jive. Send any money you can, $2, $5, $20, $1,000, $1,000,000, or whatever you can spare. Take care and have a fine day. And it's hot in Kempville, 27 Celsius. The humidity is 70%. Take care and have a nice day. Bye, guys and girls.